What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to fix your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headset with mic or audio issues. So recently I got this gaming headset and I ran into an issue when I tried connecting it to my PlayStation 5. Particularly the audio was coming out from just one speaker, and at some point it started to echo, and even at some point I had the issue where the mic was not just working. Now I'm going to give you a very quick solution to fix this issue. Basically what you want to do, if you notice on your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headset, from the headphone jack that actually comes with it, which is basically over here, what you want to do is to make sure that the side of the cable that is connected to your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headset is actually the one closest to the volume control button over here. So you want to make sure that this is actually the one you connect to your actual Logitech A10 Astro gaming headset. And then what you want to do once you're connecting it is to make sure that you firmly press on the cable until you hear a click on the cable. Now if you try to be too soft when connecting this cable to the headset, you're going to run into one of these issues, like the voice echoing, or your mic will not be working, or you'll be having the issue where just one part of the headset actually works. So you want to make sure you press until you hear a click on the headset. So just like so. And then you also want to do the same thing for any device you're connecting it to. So in my case, it is actually my PlayStation 5 over here. So I'll just go ahead and do the same thing. Make sure you firmly connect the cable until you hear a click as well, and then you can try using your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headset now. And trust me, after doing this, you would have fixed any problem with your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headsets, like the voice echoing, or only one speaker from the headset is actually working, or the problem where your mic is not actually working on the Logitech Astro gaming headsets. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.